Now this illustration shows enclosures for grounding electrode conductors to protect them from physical damage where needed. And this illustration illustrates 250.64E as in Ed. Now notice coming, so to speak, out the gate, as we said, the main water pipe system that you see there, 10 feet or more of it is in the earth. So it's qualified as an electrode by 250.52A1. But notice the rigid metal conduit is connected from point to point along with a grounding electrode conductor from the service equipment enclosure to the metal water pipe. To the right, not so. We just route that metal raceway in accordance with 250.118, just the distance needed to protect the grounding electrode conductor from physical damage. And then notice it has to be bonded at the service equipment, the raceway, and it must be bonded at the end of the raceway as shown, and the conductor that is used to bond the metal raceway to the grounding electrode must be the same size as required from table 250.66 based upon the size of the conductors from the weatherhead through the meter where they would terminate to the main. So the main call out here, bonding jumper connected to metal water pipe to grounding electrode should be at least equal to the size of the grounding electrode conductor or larger as needed by design by the designing engineer. And if I'm the electrician, I'm just installing it accordingly. So this figure 16-85 illustrates 250.64E where we're using a raceway system to enclose and protect the grounding electrode conductor. Then remember, if it's non-metallic raceways, they do not have to be bonded at each end as shown in this illustration.